Okay, next kita tengok what are the methods. Okay, contoh kalau sebelum ni you ada constructor. Constructor daripada class student. So you ada public student. Okay, so you have this normal constructor kan. Okay, you have this. Okay, so ini dekat class definition. So dekat class application, you will use this normal constructor to create object student yang bernama A for example. So dekat class application, so you akan guna student ni. Constructor ni student. Okay. Nama A, objek dia. Okay, ni dia klik. Ni nama A ni. Is equal to new student. Itu kita cakap pasal normal constructor. Okay, same goes to this. Once we want to construct student list. Okay, student list our array list name. So, you kena guna constructor. Constructor ni, kalau nak guna macam yang ni, kita nak guna student, dekat class definition, we need to create this normal constructor. Okay, for this one, kalau kita nak guna array list, sepatutnya kita kena ada satu class array list. Okay, macam yang ni. We want to use this student. So, this student ni dia akan ada dekat class student kan. Public class student. Okay. Okay, so dalam ni ada, this one is normal constructor. So, kalau you ada default constructor lah. Okay, so that's why you can use this. Same goes to this, you kena ada kelas public, class array list. Okay. So, public class array list kat dalam tu akan ada public array list. Okay, this one is dia punya constructor. Okay, so nak ceritanya kat sini, class array list ni, you do not need to create this class because we just call it or we just import it from Java package. So you can just simply use this method or constructor array list ni. Okay, bila nak create nama array list to list ni, so kita boleh gunalah array list ni. Tapi kalau yang ni, previous example yang you belajar last semester, selagi you tak create this normal constructor, you cannot use this normal constructor to construct this object. Boleh? Okay, this one is once we construct the student list menggunakan array list punya constructor, so with empty size. Okay. Another one, we also can create with a size for our list tadi, array list constructor juga. So, list is our array list name. Okay. This one is for constructor. Ni kena sama lah ni. Okay. Kat sini, you can change. This depend on you. Once you want to create any names of our array list. So, for example here, saya tukar. Okay, for example, we just created an array list name as list. So, macam mana dia akan create? So, sorry. So, dia. So, dia akan create list. Okay, list ini, what will happen to this list? Dia tak macam array, dia tak akan create up to 10 terus. So, dia akan depend kepada user bila user nak masuk data tu. Okay, contoh user buat looping, dia nak masukkan first student, so dia akan okay, 0. Lepas tu looping for the second I equal to 0, this one I equal to 1. So, dia Okay, I equal to 2. Shrink and grow, right? So, dia boleh pergi up to how many data that we want to insert. Okay? Okay, the next kita tengok the next method is add. Okay, add. Okay, so method add. Okay, method add ni sepatutnya method ini akan ada di dalam green dulu lah. Okay, so method ni sebenarnya adalah public. Okay, so public. Okay, any method that we want to use, we need to, macam you nak guna calculate bill. You cannot simply use that calculate bill, right? You need to define it first, then you can use that calculate bill. So, bill tu you nak kira macam mana? So, you need to define it first dekat kelas definition, right? So, dekat kelas application, you boleh gunalah calculate bill, for example. Okay, so same goes to this. You want to use add. Supposedly, you need to define method ni. Public void. Okay, add. Okay, so dia punya parameter, dia accept integer. Apa-apa-apa, the value as object lah. Okay, ni. Okay, but luckily once we have this package, Java package, okay. Bila dalam Java package tu, we have that class array list, it means that we do not need to create or we do not need to define this method add. We can just import it from Java package. Sama macam constructor just now. Array list constructor. Okay, so kalau nak guna method ni, so we can just import, okay, import.java.util lah. Import java.util, sorry. Okay, so ada star tu. Okay, so you can just use this add. No need to define it first. Guna je add ni. So contohnya, tadi you create rumah nama tulis. Here is tulis. Tulis. Okay, so you want to insert Fahrin. Okay, you nampak kat sini, this one is integer ke berapa? Okay, so integer ke berapa represent index ke berapa? So Fahrin is our data that you want to insert to that index. So we can just imagine that you already inserted up to 10. Okay, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, blah, blah, blah. So you want to insert to index ketiga means that integer, kita punya integer. Okay, this one is add. So integer object that we want to insert. So integer 3 means that index ketiga. 0, 1, 2, 3. So we want to insert, here is Fahrin. Okay. Boleh? Okay, itu add. Okay, next we have set. Okay, set means that we want to update the value. Okay, we don't want to know the previous value, the current we don't want to know the current value, but what we need to do is we want to update to a new value. Okay, for example, okay, 2, 4, 5. Okay, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, okay, 8. So what we need to do is set ni, apa yang dia akan buat adalah, okay, dia akan update pada index, yang integer ni index ke berapa dan the value that you want to update to. Okay, so index ke 7, so value yang you akan update kepada Anwar, tak kisahlah the existing value apa, but we just want to change, update to Anwar. Okay, so yang ketujuh, so kita masukkan, katalah kat sini ada dah Ali, for example, Ali. So tak kisah, Alil pun Alil lah ya. Lepas tu, we want to change it to Anwar. Okay, so same goes here. So yang asalnya sepatutnya bila kita nak guna once we want to use this set method, we need to define sepatutnya. So nama method dia sepatutnya public object set. So integer apa? Accept as integer. So satu lagi object. So tetapi once we have Java package, we do not need to define this method because it is already provided by Java package. What we need to do is we just need to import lah. Bila kita tertinggal perkataan import java.ut tu, so means that dia tak akan jumpa cari lah. So kita kena import lah. Then what the things that I want to highlight here is object. Object means that anything that you want to insert ataupun anything that you want to use inside this, so dia akan accept as object. So bila you guna set dalam ni, you akan jadi, you nampak bila you update automatically, bila you guna set automatically dia akan jadi object. Nanti kita akan tengok lah, but I just want to highlight dia akan jadi object lah.